Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp profile info connecting problem on WhatsApp. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap WhatsApp app. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data on WhatsApp app. Step 2. Open Play Store. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Click on Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Turn on aeroplane mode and turn off your aeroplane mode. Step 5. Restart your phone. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp profile info connecting problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.